Hey guys, your girl Golden Ruby, and I'm back in another video. And I know you guys are probably like, what? But I know I've been gone for like almost, not even almost a year. I'm dragging it. It's been like 6 to 7 months since I've been absent on this channel, and the reason is because one, every time I want to record something or go somewhere, I just end up never like vlogging or recording, bro. Second, I'm very like you see, I'm absent on this channel, but I'm attending my other channel. And if you don't know my other channel, my reaction channel, yeah, so I've been on that channel heavily. I just been focused on growing that channel, because that channel's at 1K, I know 12K now, about to be 13, and I'm trying to get this channel to 1K, so I gotta be more active on this channel, you know what I'm talking about. But I was supposed to do so much. I was supposed to vlog. I went away and I was supposed to vlog that. I was supposed to do another wig video, didn't do that, bro. It's just so many videos I was supposed to do that I didn't do. And yeah, my brain just been all over the place, but I need to get active on this channel, so that's what we're gonna do. And as you can see by the title of today's video, it's a wig video, and I'm gonna show you guys a wig. The company is CYNOSURE. This is my second time purchasing from this company, and I tell you, this company gets a 10 out of 10 for me, and this video is not sponsored, like not even. So the wig that, let me tell you about the first wig that I got from them. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Hold up, be patient, hold on guys, hold on, boom. So this wig that I purchased, the second one, is not an HD, which I'm pissed off about. I was supposed to get the HD transparent one, but I didn't. But the first wig that I got was transparent. It was black. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it. Hold up. It was basically this. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Hold up. This wig, and it is, hold up, it's a 20 by 20. It's kind of looking raggedy right now because I ain't braided or do nothing to it, but this is the wig. And just look at it. I got this back in like June, bro. And it's also a 13 by 4, which is the one I'm showing you guys today. So this is the highlight. Hold up, let me find it. Boom. Highlight wig, brown color. This is a 20. I should have got a 20. I feel like I should have got something longer. Yeah, that's a 22. I should have got a 24. I think my next wig, I'm getting this for my birthday, but I'm gonna get either wet and wavy or like some type of curls with it, you know what I'm saying. This is a straight, but yeah, this is the wig that I got. 13 by 4, and I actually did good with this one, especially with the bleaching. I feel like I should have left it longer, but I was scared. Like, you can still see some of the black knots, but like it's not bad as how like it comes, you know what I'm saying. So let me see what else I need to tell you guys about the wig. I'm gonna just leave the link down below, to be honest. But yeah, this is the wig that I purchased. Just to show you guys, this is actually the wig that I got. Well, I mean, the picture, it's kind of lighter in person than the picture, but it's not bad. So this is the wig that I got. I wanted to get this one. I should have got this one, but it don't matter. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys. And yeah, we just want to install it. I just want to show you guys how it looks before I install it. This is the inside. I bleached it. Let me know if I did a good job bleaching the inside. Just let me know, because y'all know I'm not really good with this. It got a comb, which I love, bro. What else it come with? You already know it comes with eyelashes. I don't really wear eyelashes, but it comes with eyelashes. It comes with like caps, but these caps are too dark for me, so no. And yeah, you know, it comes with instructions and basically the information and all that other good stuff. And we're gonna get right to this. I'm actually gonna do the ball method off camera, because when I do the ball method, I need to be focused. I'm gonna like check in here and there when I do it. But yeah, I'm about to do the ball method, and that'll be in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so I did like 2 layers of glue, and I used Got2b glue comment down some other glues I should use, because I be feeling like got to be is not for me, because it don't never stay like at all. So I'm about to put like 2 more layers on it. Alright, so I think I'm done with the layers, and I'm about to blow dry it, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I did my last layer. Now this is the final thing. I need to go blow dry and then go install the wig. Okay, so right now I'm about to cut this in 3, because I've seen somebody do that in like care videos. Oh, they cut the lace in 3 sections. Trying to hold it up. I don't want to cut the hair. All right. So boom, that's one. And that's 2. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this, because Lord have mercy, I don't even know what I'm doing. So, it's like I gotta put this lower. Put that. Alright, so since I really don't know what I'm doing right now, I think I'm gonna do this off camera, and I'm gonna come back once it's glued Okay, y'all, so right here is where I start to do the edges. Now I didn't want to take too much, so basically I just got, my knowledge from what I see other girls do in their videos. They take a little bit, they use they tea comb, and then they take a little bit, because like I said, it's my second time doing a lace front, so I didn't really want to mess up the edges, like take too much off, because that's what I did with my first wig. I cut too much of the damn edges, and it was so thick, and I'm just like, ew, like, no. So that's why it took me so long to actually like get the edges down pat. So these few clips is y'all gonna see me struggle, to do the edges, but just know your girl, I got it down. So next time I actually install a frontal, which will be very soon, I think I'm gonna get it down pat. Come on, keep it real. Come on, keep it real. Come on, keep it real. Okay, y'all, so as you can see right here, I did my baby hairs off camera because I felt like while the camera was recording and I was doing the baby hair, I was like kind of getting distracted. So I was like, you know what, let me just do this side off camera. And when I tell y'all I did that, I did that. Especially for like my not first time but like second time, because I usually don't do baby hairs. Like I usually get like 4x4s or 5x5s. So a lace front, 13x4, it's like you really gotta do, what I'm saying, you gotta do more work than just a regular 4x4. So I was very happy that I got it down packed, and I'm not even gonna lie, the curling iron helped 100%. I recommend anybody who don't know how to do baby hairs, just get your flat iron, curl it up, and you good. I'm actually gonna get me the smaller flat iron because my big one, is too big. But yes, curling it was, I recommend it 100%. If you don't know how to do baby hair, get your curling iron and curl it, and you're good to go. So that's what really helped me. But next time I know to cut the baby hairs just a little bit more, because I still feel like my baby hairs was, a little long. But like I said, it's my second time actually doing this, so yeah.
Now, yes, I know, before you guys comment, I see the side of my hair. I know it's white. I'm gonna, like I said, it's my second time, so any mistake I see, I'm gonna work on it. That's why I feel like I did a good job, because like I said, my second time. So I feel like I did 100% job doing this hair. But I know I made a few mistakes. I'm gonna work on it, you know, watch more YouTube videos. But yes, they'll talk about the white parts on the side. You can't really see it once you do, like, once I put the baby hair, you can't really see it, or put the hair to the side or whatever, you can't really see it. But yes, I peeped that. You ain't even gotta say it.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back, but my camera is dying, and this is the end result of the baby hair. I ain't gonna lie, I did pretty good on the baby, and I don't know how to do baby hair, but this is the end result. I love it. I actually like love it, bro. I'm like in love, bro. Like, I did that, bro. I did that. Like, I think I did good, bro. But leave y'all, you know, opinions in the comments on what I should have did better with it. But my opinion, I think I bodied this, especially for my second time doing lace fronts. Yes, I bodied this. And I'm buying more wigs from them because theirs are like A1. But my camera's about to die, so if you guys like this video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on so you know I have a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.